guys, welcome to my first vlog. I'm Sayida Rahma. I ask children of nature lovers want to invite you to visit the natural tourism place in Trenggalek. It is a cliff of Lingga, and I will go there with my beloved friend. Before it, I need to prepare the equipment I need later. Okay, check it out. I ready to go there with my beloved friend. Say hello. Hello.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like
We arrived in parking area in the Lingga cliff.
Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall.
Hello, after a long journey, you can solve.
Amazing.
You can see. This is the Lingga. Around the Lingga cliff, we can enjoy the natural beauty that is still very natural. Other than Lingga cliff is one of the unique cliff because its tall and slender shape. On the other hand, the panorama of cliff look bigger if we viewed from the south and look slimmer when we viewed from the east. In the Lingga cliff, there are many existing facilities such as gazebo, and there is a small park in front of it as you see. And in here, any small toilet. Look at that. You can see? And then, in the Lingga cliff, there is a flow of the river, but today it is currently dry season, so the river was dry. So sad. Beside the facilities, in Lingga cliff has many selfie area. One of them, you can see that. You can see that. And the other interesting of the Lingga cliff, there is a children game rides. You can see me. Okay, follow me, follow me.
Dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh, dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh.
I'm so happy today because I can visit the natural tourism place with my beloved friend. Say hello.
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 So amazing.
And I hope you can visit this place also after me. See you next time.